The suction unit inlet filter should be cleaned once a week after system disinfection. Turn off the power to the suction system, either at the main switch or at the power point. Turn the filter anti-clockwise, remove it from the housing, then wipe the inside of the housing. Empty the filter, which may contain amalgam, into the container for collection by an approved recycler. Rinse the filter with water and remove stubborn debris with a brush. Make sure the brush has not been in contact with detergents or chemicals. Wipe the outside of the filter basket, paying particular attention to the O-ring. Apply a few drops of Lubri-Jet silicone lubricant to the O-ring and spread it evenly. Reinstall the filter, making sure the O-ring is sealed properly, and then turn the power back on. Also, check the keyboard display for error messages and report them if necessary.